How can I help you today?
I'm seeing a late fee on my account, but it says that the account was paid on the 26th and the account due date was 28th. So I don't know how I got a late fee for a payment that I made 2 days before it was supposed to be made.
Well, let's take a look and see what's going on. Late fee, payment due on the 28th, and it posted on the 29th. So,
But it says internet payment made on the 26th.
unless the 26th was on a weekend to where it did not update until the following Monday night, that would be the only reason that would happen.
So I can't make a payment on a Friday?
You can make it on a Friday if it's made before 6:58 Central Standard Time. If it's made after that time or on the weekend, it's not going to update until Monday night. So timing is all important because the cutoff is Central Standard Time, 6:58. And that's the only way that would happen. And I don't have a calendar, so I can't look and see it. Maybe I do have a calendar. Find one.
It was a Friday. The 26th was a Friday, and that's when the payment was made. But if I didn't make it before a certain time, then it doesn't actually apply.
Right. Because of the cutoff. 26th, Friday. Yeah, so if it was made like Friday evening, I don't know what time zone you're in, then it wouldn't have updated until Monday night, which is how that would have happened.
So I'm going to get a late fee because my due date's on a weekend.
And I have no control over that. I know it doesn't make sense to me either, honestly. It should post the date at the...
Well,
either here nor
if
there.
your due date's on a weekend day, what other choice do you have except making your payment a week early or something like that? How can they charge you a late fee for a payment that was due on a day that they don't take payments?
Right. I can certainly understand your frustration on that. I don't. Yeah. The only thing that is to make it at least early enough on the day on Friday, so when it updates Friday night, it'll be current. That's the only way out of that.
I'll have to take this somewhere else because that's not even. I can't even see how that's even legal. That my due date I can't post a payment on my due date because it's the weekend. So I'm going to get charged a late fee because I paid it the Friday before my due date.
Yeah, I can certainly let you speak with the supervisor on this issue. I can only tell you the way it works, and I am in agreement with you. I don't think that's fair or right, but unfortunately, I can't do anything about it.
All right, I'll figure out what I want to do then. All right.
Okay, Michael. I do apologize for that.
Yeah. Thanks.
Hey.